Kia ora koutou, just want to show you how to add data to the Trap.NZ app. So when you open the app, you'll be able to find your traps. So you can, if you don't have that many traps, you can simply tap on the trap that you want to add the data to, enter the species caught. So we'll say we've caught a mouse. And you don't have to enter these, but if you know them, then do enter them. And then just come down to where it says relured, and then you can select the lure that you have put in there. So we'll go with fresh meat. And then you can, if you've got any other notes that you want to put there, you can. And if you want to put a photo of the catch, then you can put that there. And then you just come down and press and hold the save button. And that's added the data. So then you get a green triangle around there. And so if you haven't caught anything, you can just leave that as none, relure it, and then click and hold save. And there you go.